today we talk about how can you uh, link your social networks on your Roblox app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just go down here, click on more down here. So when you click here on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you're scrolling down here until you will find here settings, just click on it. Then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Just click on account info. So then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you just scrolling down here until you will find here social networks. And here can you link with your Facebook or Twitter or YouTube or Twitch or glide it here. So when you're done, just click here on save to save with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.